Hello everyone. What is a fiber channel over Ethernet? This is what we are gonna be talking about in this video. Ready? Let's begin. At the most basic level, fiber channel over Ethernet is a network protocol that enables fiber channel communications to occur over Ethernet networks. This allows data storage to be transported over high-speed Ethernet infrastructure, integrating both storage area networks and local area networks efficiently. Fiber channel over Ethernet is mainly used in data centers. Let's put it in a simpler way. Fiber channel over Ethernet is a network technology that wraps fiber channel frames into packets that can travel across Ethernet networks. This allows fiber channel to use 10 gigabit Ethernet networks while preserving the fiber channel protocol. Remember, the main purpose of fiber channel over Ethernet is to facilitate the convergence of storage and IP protocols onto a single physical cable, reducing the number of network interfaces and cables in a data center and simplifying its infrastructure. Technically speaking, this convergence aims to minimize complexity, lower costs, and improve manageability within the data center. In traditional data centers, storage traffic and network traffic have been transported over separate networks. Fiber channel for storage area network and Ethernet for local area network. This separation necessitated different adapters, cables, and switches, leading to increased complexity and costs. Fiber channel over Ethernet emerged as a solution to this problem, allowing both types of traffic to coexist over a single high-speed Ethernet infrastructure. Fiber channel over Ethernet works by encapsulating fiber channel frames into Ethernet frames, which are then transmitted over an Ethernet network. This encapsulation allows the Ethernet network to transport storage traffic without altering the core fiber channel protocols, ensuring compatibility with existing fiber channel applications and services. At the receiving end, fiber channel over Ethernet frames are decapsulated and the fiber channel frames are processed as if they had been transported over a traditional fiber channel network. This seamless integration ensures that existing storage applications can operate over Ethernet without modification. Okay, now to make fiber channel over Ethernet work, a special type of network adapter called a converged network adapter is used. CNA is a hardware component that combines the functionality of a network interface card and a host bus adapter into a single device. This allows a single card to handle both standard network traffic like Ethernet and storage network traffic like fiber channel. CNA not only provides the required physical connectivity but also enables lossless Ethernet. This is crucial because fiber channel is a lossless protocol and storage area networks expect lossless communications. Here are some of the most important features of fiber channel over Ethernet. Convergence. By consolidating data and storage networks, fiber channel over Ethernet reduces hardware requirements and simplifies network management. Compatibility. Fiber channel over Ethernet maintains compatibility with existing fiber channel infrastructure, protecting investments in storage networks. Scalability. Ethernet's high bandwidth capabilities allow fiber channel over Ethernet networks to scale efficiently to meet the demands of modern data centers. Simplified infrastructure. The use of a common network fabric simplifies cabling, reduces the number of switches and adapters needed, and lowers power and cooling requirements. What are the benefits of fiber channel over Ethernet? Cost savings. Converging SAN and LAN networks onto a single infrastructure reduces capital expenditures on hardware and operational costs associated with managing separate networks. Increased efficiency. Fibre channel over Ethernet enables more efficient use of network resources by combining traffic types, potentially leading to lower latency for storage traffic and improved overall performance. Simplified management. With a single network to manage, administrators can achieve a streamlined operational model, reducing complexity and the potential for configuration errors. Alright, so this brings me to the end of my topic. Thanks for watching this video on Fibre Channel over Ethernet. Please subscribe for more videos.